NCNA stock analysis and NCNA stock prediction. In this 1 minute video right now, I'm going to show you my exact play and everything with NuCana PLC. NuCana stock, it's correcting down a bit, so is most of the tickers here on my chart. I mean, unironically speaking, I'm very open-minded to taking it further up, but guess what? It's pretty much just waiting for a confirmation. Now, I'm aware that it's maybe like filling in a gap, and that's perfectly fine and normal. That is going to happen. But what is not going to happen is me buying randomly here, or just buying just because, just for the sake of it. No. If there is no sort of shift in a double break, then forget about me buying me. Just forget about it. Like, boom, that's that. All I have here is just like I'm waiting for my rules to be met. But with NCNA specifically, I have so many previous receipts here. 13 results pop up, and if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then sure, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.